Hi, as a graphic designer, your portfolio is a most important asset when it comes to finding new job, new opportunities and new clients. Consider it as your resume. Your resume and your portfolio speaks on your behalf even when you are not there. Also, a great portfolio gives an idea to your potential customer, your potential client, that what kind of services and what kind of work they can expect from you through the skills and expertise you put into your portfolio. What if you are just starting out and you have not prior experience with working any agency or any business? That is difficult. No, because we all start from somewhere, right?
Oh, yeah.
So make sure you watch this video till the end because I'm going to tell you how to build your portfolio as a beginner or as a fresher and what I did to build my portfolio as a beginner. Also how to attract your dream client as a graphic designer or how to attract your dream company where you always wanted to work with. So without any wasting time, let's get into it. As I always say, first thing first, and to determine your ideal client is to be specific. I know some of you might not agree to it that in the beginning we should not be specific to that what kind of projects we want to take and what kind of projects we would love to. But why not? If you would be specific in the beginning that you would love to create illustrations, then why not? If you want to go with marketing agency, want to work with advertising company, then put posters, pamphlets, logo designing kind of projects in your portfolio. And if you want to go with tech companies, then put some designs related to their field. And if you want to go with website designing, then put website designs in your portfolio. Be specific, find your interest, what kind of projects you want to take up, what kind of projects you really enjoy creating them. So that is your first step in building your portfolio, that be specific and find your interest and passion in what you love to create and what you enjoy the most. Now let's talk about the ways of building or designing your portfolio. Once you have determined your interest, what kind of projects you want to take up, what kind of projects you really want to work on, then it's the time to build your portfolio around it. Now the question arises again, how to build your portfolio as a beginner when you don't have any prior experience. So yeah, first step is redesign your existing projects. So what are your existing projects? Your existing projects are nothing. It's just if you love something on social media and if you are following any company or any small business on your social media and you love their creatives and you love how their post and content is interactive, interesting, amazing, cool, wow, then it's time to design that poster in your style and put that in a portfolio. There is nothing wrong if you are just redesigning that poster in your style, and you can freely use that redesigned poster in your portfolio because you have designed that. So go through any social media platform, your Facebook, your Instagram, even LinkedIn, and pick any small business or company and then redesign their creatives. Now let's move to the second point, and I actually did that. Reach out to non-profit organizations and charities. Many charities and non-profit organizations are in need of marketing team. So reach out to them, talk to them and work as a volunteer or as a team member in their organization. So when I started out, I worked with Cry, Muscurahat Foundation and Rotaract, which I'm currently still working with. So that is your choice if you want to work with multiple organizations to build your portfolio, or even if you love spending time with the charities and non-profit organizations, then you should definitely work with non-profit organizations. Trust me, that is the best place to work with and network with people and learn so much. And you learn so much, literally you learn so much. Let's move to the third point, which is I don't like right now, but yeah, when I started out, I used to like that. Okay, I'll tell you. Work for free for your relatives and friends. Oh, okay. Okay, I don't like this point right now, as I mentioned. So, first of all, no to free designs, okay? And if you want to build your portfolio around multiple themes and you want to give a little idea of you can also do this type of field your portfolio, then you can reach out to your friends and family and ask them if they want some kind of designs, invites or something, you can design for them and put them in your portfolio. Okay, so yeah, that is your third point. You can also reach out to your friends and family for the free designs, and in exchange you can ask for the testimonial, which you can also use it in your portfolio. So that is all from my side, and this is what I did when I started out, and this is how I got an internship and freelancing projects through my portfolio, even when I was not working with any client or something. So this is how you can also build your portfolio as a beginner, as a fresher. So these are the 3 or 4 steps which I followed, and I got results from them. I'll see you in the next video. Till then, please do take care of yourself, and please don't forget to subscribe the channel, like, comment and share this video. Bye bye.